Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Now here's a looker. We got slick black paint on a 69 Chevelle, big chrome wheels. Got a 396 L78 motor under the hood. That's the 375 horsepower motor. New vintage air, custom suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got it going on. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you find the prices on all of our cars at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Really nice, fresh build. Underneath the car is slick. The floors look to be really solid. All of the components have been rebuilt or replaced. Front end is all new stuff. Ball joints, bushings, you name it. It's got upgraded big fat tubular control arms, custom sway bar. In back, it's got coil-over shocks, boxed control arms, sway bar. It's got four-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, red calipers at all four wheels. It's got a polished fuel tank. It's brand new. It's polished stainless steel. So new sending unit, new straps holding it in place. Got a really nice custom pipes exhaust system. It's looks like 3-inch pipe to me. It has the X pipe. Has stainless steel mufflers. The whole system's stainless. Sounds great. You'll hear it in a little bit. You look up at the motor. It has an extra capacity oil pan. It's got a high torque starter. I think this one had a chrome flywheel cover. It's a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a extra deep chrome pan, and it all looks fresh. All looks brand new. It's got a 10-bolt rear end in the back. No, 12-bolt. I'm sorry, 12-bolt rear end. So underneath, a lot of new stuff and a lot of upgrades. Obviously, it's black. It's sharp looking. The thing is straight. It fits really well. There's no damage, no issues. Just a handprint right there. The hood lines up nice and square and flush. Look at the gaps on the doors. It's all nice down here. There's no bubbles. And I can see the reflection of everything. It's like a mirror. No vinyl top. No stripes either. You can get the white stripe that goes on the side. It's a decal. So you could get that if you want. You ask 10 people, 5 say leave it, 5 say put the stripe on. So that'll be your call. Now the paint itself shows really well. I mean, it's slick, it's impressive. If you're really fussy, there's like little pieces of dust in the paint, little imperfections here and there, but no problem areas. Oh, look at how the trunk fits. No problem areas, just minor imperfections you could nitpick. Looks like the tail lights, bumper, trim, cowbell tips, all that looks new. It's got a new rear window, 6x9 speakers in there. Stainless trim's real nice. This trim's real nice. Big chrome Ridler wheels. They're 20s in back, 18s in front. New handles, mirrors, new moldings. Windshield's been replaced. There's the SS hood with new grills. The interior has been all redone. Door jambs are good. Weather strips are replaced. Seats are all new. New cushions, new upholstery, new plastic trim, new chrome trim, new headrests. Back seats reupholstered. It has reproduction GM seat belts front and back. The center console looks like it's reproduction. It has the horseshoe shifter. All new door panels and armrests and window cranks. Now I mentioned it's an L78 motor. It is. Run the casting codes. High performance is cast right on the block. It's dated late 68, which would be for a 69 car. And the code up on the front is a 396 375 horse engine. It also has the hump on the head, so it's the big square port heads. And it's got an Edelbrock intake on top with a dual feed Holley and an electronic ignition system. It's also got a set of coated headers. Reproduction chrome valve covers, air cleaner with all the right stickers. And the whole front of the motor is chrome too, all the components. We'll get back to that in a second. The whole dash area is restored, the vents, the bezels, the dash pad, all that's beautiful. It's a really nice set of custom gauges. They light up, LED lights, nice and white. The heater control panel is new vintage air, nice, easy to slide levers. Clean trunk compartment, rock solid. It's got a carpeted mat, it's got a new weather strip, spatter painted real nicely. Got a modern stereo, really nice looking steering wheel. Sill plates are new. So back in the motor here, everything in front. The alternator, the bracket, the power steering is all chrome. The pulleys are all chrome. It has a billet aluminum timing cover. It has a polished or chromed water pump. It has a Champion aluminum radiator, new shroud. The vintage air and heat system was just installed in the car. It's brand new. New fuel pump. Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables. Top of the radiator is chrome, and it has this filler panel, and it's etched 1969 Chevelle. Cadmium plated brake booster, new master, new wiper motor, new hood insulation. Everything in here looks new. Now it's that time in the video we get to start it up. So you got a slick black Chevelle with air conditioning and an L78 motor. The needles are red and the gauges light up white. There's a clock in the middle, quartz clock. Not warmed up yet. We also just sent it to the front end shop. They did a front end inspection and a front end alignment, so that's ready to go. The mirror's new, visors look new, dome light works. So there you have it. That's my impression of this gorgeous 69 Chevelle. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They'll do their best to help you out with that. They can also help get this delivered anywhere in the country. They can help with financing. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.